Hello, this is Judd with Presenter Media. In this video, I'll be talking about customizable clip art and how to add your own images, change colors, and all that good stuff. So let's get started. I'm on Presenter Media on the home page, and if I go up to Custom Graphics and hover over Custom Graphics, it'll give me a drop down of animations, clip art, and video. So if I click on clip art, I get a list of all the clip art inside Presenter Media, and I can click through the pages to get ideas of what I want to customize and get started that way. Or I can go up to the search bar and click on filters, click on custom and clip art together, so those two are selected. And I'm gonna type in business. Add that last S on business. Okay, oops. Let me custom clip art. Must reset the filters. Okay, there we go. So it gives me, just shows me all the business customizable items on Presenter Media. And I can start looking through these and selecting ones I want to customize. Let's start with this one right here, the business cards that I can customize. And if I click on customize this item, it'll take me to the graphics customizer, and you'll see a work area over here, this rectangle area. And this will look different for each customizable item, depending on how it's set up. So like this one has a back side of the card and a front side of the card. So there's two different template areas that you can work in here. And let's start customizing that right now. So I can change the text by double clicking into it and highlighting it and going my company like that. And I can drag, with the text selected, I can drag on these little circles that surround the text and kind of make it bigger or smaller, however I want. And I can also edit the text over here where it says quick edit. And to do that, I just click and highlight inside the box here and type in, oops, I'm just gonna type in Presenter Media, and you can see that shows up over here. And if I want it a little stretched out a little bit more, I just drag on those circles that surround the text. And I'm not gonna change this. I'm just gonna leave this for now just to save time. On the other side, the back side of the card, you'll see that there's text here as well. You can delete that out, or you can change it, or add your own text as well. So to add my own text box, if there aren't any text boxes, just go to Insert, Text Box, choose a font, and then you can see that it's over here. And it's kind of taking on the same color, blue, as this. So I can change that color with that text box selected to a white. And you can see now it's easier to see, and I can adjust it however I want to in here and change the text just like we did before. I'm going to delete that out here. I just want my logo on the back side of the card. So to change that, I just select the image here and right click on it and go change element. And I could add an icon if I want to the back and change the color of that. But I'm going to go to my uploads, and I've uploaded many items in here. I got 50 pages, so like you got unlimited storage of whatever items you want to upload for images. And I'm going to go to the second page, I believe, and just load the Presenter Media icon in there. That looks good. I can also change the colors of different elements on the work area by selecting them, and you can see that you'll get a little color indicator up here. So I can click on that, and let's change that to, I don't know, like something like that. And if I go down to the back side of the card and select the background, it saves that in the presets. If I can select that to change the color to the same color as the item I chose up here in the top, in the front card. Okay, say I got everything where I want it and ready to download. I can download. A few other options. I can go over to sample, and this will show me the original, what the original item looked like. I can change the shadow to make the shadow darker here. I can also change the reflection if it contains a reflection. Under filters, I can change, if I have an image selected, so like this logo is an image, I can change the color of that to whatever I choose. I can desaturate it to make it gray. I can change the brightness, and then there's a few options. I can pixelate it, blur it, change the contrast. I can also do some kind of cool looking stuff down here with different options. But I'm going to turn all those off and just leave it how it is, like that. And one other thing, let's go to effects. So effects, you can add gradients in here. So just click on these little circles up here. You can adjust. And let's say I want something like that. Oops, just click the wrong button. Something like that. So you got that gradient that goes across to that purple. Something like that. You can add a stroke to items. Like, say I want to add a black stroke. Something like that. You can add it to text too. You can add strokes to text. So just keep that in mind. Cool. All right. So you can play with those options. And let's download this quick right now. So in the download options underneath, it's got the PNG. I'm going to go largest size and click build and download. And you can see that the gear in the top right hand corner is turning. That means that that new custom graphic is being processed with my my designs that I added, and we'll spit out a unique custom clip art when it's done. I'm going to go back to custom graphics and go back to clip art, custom clip art. And I'm going to choose this item right here. So there's the customizable clip art that we just did, where you can add your logo and change images and colors and all that good stuff. And there's also version 1 graphics. This is our first customizer where you could only change the text. So if this says, if you click into it and it says custom text and colors, you'll see that this has a different layout. And what you can do with this is just change the text to whatever you want. So you'll get these text boxes of how many text boxes are inside the image. And to change these, you just type in them. Hello. Good. I don't know what I'm texting or typing here. Outside of, just to give you an idea what it does. Okay, and then image filters, I can change the color by changing the hue slider. I could change it to gray if I want. I can change it darker with the brightness. And once I'm done with that, I can go to the bottom where it says download and change it to the biggest size. If I want it to be a smaller, if I'm trying to save on file size, click a smaller size, but always go with the larger size if you can. Build and download. And you can see up in the right hand corner, the gear is turning. That means it's being processed. Let's go to My Media and Uploads. Just click on that here. And this is where all your customizable items go to live once you click to build and have them processed. So you can see this one is still processing and will be ready in just a few seconds here. The business card is done. So if I click on this preview, I can see what it looks like, and that looks good. I'm happy with that. And it looks like the other clip art, customizable clip art, has now finished as well. And from here, I can download right here. I can also click to save forever. And if I choose to click to save forever, it'll be saved. This design will be saved always inside this custom My Media area. And if you don't choose to save, after 90 days, the item will be deleted, but the power is in your hands to click to save. So you can save as many items as you want. So I would recommend saving them and then delete them if you want them gone. And if you're signed up for the free plan, note that this click to save is not available to you. So if you customize something, make sure that you download it right away so you don't forget to download it, and then after 90 days that item is deleted and you have to redo it. So again, click to customize. If you're on the free plan and you want to save your items, just upgrade to the unlimited plan and you'll be ready to go. Okay, let's download these 2 items by just clicking download, and looks like they're going to download to my downloads folder on my computer. And once those are downloaded, I'll go over to PowerPoint, go to Insert, Pictures, this device, and I'll click on that business card. So just loads as an image, and you can see in PowerPoint, the newer PowerPoint, it gives me this designer options, and these are just different layouts. I can click and easily get a layout. So if I just add this to my presentation that I'm working in, and I can easily just click one of these different layouts, and you can see more designs if you want to check out other designs, something like that. And you can add your text here. Looks like some of the designs get pretty wild, but it's your choice what you want to do with them. And I'm going to go new slide, insert picture, this device, and go radial stamp. That's that other one we created, and you can do something like that. Cool. And select whatever design layout you want and click to edit text, your text here. So you could add more text here, and you could add an image here or a graph, whatever you choose. Yeah, I think that's as far as I'm going to go in this tutorial on animations, customizable animations. Yep, so start customizing and making your own unique, actually this isn't animations, this is customizable clip art. If you want to check out the customizable animations, just go to the custom graphics up here in the main menu and go customize animations. So each one of these will have a little play button that you can check out the video and get to know more about the customizable options. All right, thanks for following along, and we'll see you on the next video tutorial. Bye-bye.